Hello. Do you know that you can save lakhs of rupees in mutual fund commissions by investing directly? Hi, my name is Amit Kachelia and I'm the first certified financial planner from North Maharashtra, India. And let me share a live practical example between direct plan versus regular plan in mutual funds. Before that, let me assure you that you are in credible hands because we are not associated to any financial product selling company, which means we are neither mutual fund distributors or insurance agents or stockbrokers. So to that extent, you can treat all our training programs or videos to be pretty much unbiased. We are not here to sell any financial products. We are just here to impart knowledge. What's my integrity as your trainer for this particular video then? Okay, you can visit this website financialindia.fpsb.org, that is Financial Planning Standards Board India, which is affiliated to USA, the body which has certified me to be a financial planner since 2008. Yeah, you heard me right, 2008. That is the global financial crisis year. And since then, we are into financial planning services. As I mentioned at the start, money saved is money earned. That is, you can save lakhs of rupees in mutual funds commissions. How can you how can you go about it? And what's the actual differential portfolio gap? This is a practical example of, I'm just sharing one scheme, and of course you can check almost every scheme's difference is almost the same, fair around. Okay, let's take this scheme, Aditya Birla Sun Life Frontline Equity Fund Growth Direct Plan. Okay, so basically if you invest in this particular scheme, please don't treat this as my recommendation or my advice. Okay, this is just for illustration purposes to make you understand the gap between a direct plan and a regular plan. See, every plan, if it mentions direct plan, which means you are saving your mutual fund commission, which you won't be being paid to the mutual fund distributor. So this particular scheme, Aditya Birla Sun Life Frontline Equity Fund Dash Growth Dash Direct Plan. The concept of direct plan was introduced by SEBI in India on 1st January 2013. That's why the NAVs of both the plans at the start were kept to be same. Now, Aditya Birla Sun Life Frontline Equity Growth Direct, what is missing? Sometimes it may mention the regular plan, which means over here the distribution cost or commission cost is being involved. Now what happens in 9 years, right from 1st Jan 13 to 31st December 21, 100 rupee NAV has become 366.98, 100 rupee NAV has become 340 rupees, which means it's lower compared to direct plan. In rate of returns, if I compare, it's around 15.44% per annum CAGR, and this is 14.46% per annum CAGR, which means, as an example sake, if somebody is investing at this on 1st Jan 1300 lakhs, that is 1 crore, in 9 years, the portfolio direct plan of 1 crore, that is 100 lakhs, will become 3 crore 63 lakhs. But under the regular plan or the commission plan, it will become 3 crore 37 lakhs. So your portfolio is being depleted or being reduced or being deducted and paid in the form of commission, in this case to a differential of, in 9 years 26.69 lakhs. So average per annum saving you can do other way around. If you invest in direct plan, on 1 crore investment you are saving how much per annum? Around 2,96,000 average. Obviously now this is a higher amount of saving because it's spread in 9 years, so compounding of saving is also increasing. Okay, somebody may argue, okay, at the start because the NAVs were same, that's why this comparison is happening. But let me share another example then. Now this is the example wherein the 1st Jan 18, now NAVs are different because obviously few years have gone. So obviously direct plan NAV is higher. So basically, at the time of purchasing mutual fund, you are paying more cost, right? And obviously, regular plan the NAV will be less. But now you can still see the difference. Obviously, the date was the same, so NAVs are same. So 231 becoming 366, 221 becoming 340. Now what's happening is still there is a CAGR gap of around less than 1%. It's 0.83. But for how many years? It's 4 years. Now how much saving you are doing on 1 crore investment in 4 years? Your 1 crore in 4 years is becoming 1 crore 58. 1 crore in the regular plan or a distribution cost plan is becoming 1 crore 53 lakhs. So in 4 years, you are still saving fair enough the same amount, almost 1,16,000 on 1 crore. So it's almost 1% saving you are able to do. Okay, so this is the benefit of investing directly, but after doing your own research and analysis on which scheme to invest, what is your risk appetite analysis, and all that stuff is to be done. Based on that, only you can invest in direct plan. Okay, so this is the difference between direct plan and regular plan. That is, see, people need to understand that commission is being deducted from your portfolio and paid to the mutual fund distributor. It's like a GST. It's going from your pocket, but you are not aware of. Okay. Now, so you need to understand that more time you give to your portfolio direct plan, the more is the compounding of savings and commissions too. That we have seen with two different examples. Okay. So the ball is in your court, and it's now your call to take what you want to do with your hard and idle funds. Thank you.